Welcome, adventurers! Today, we're delving into the art of canoe camping, where the rhythm of the paddle meets the tranquility of nature. Let's dive into some essential tips to ensure your canoe camping trip is a smooth sailing adventure. First and foremost, pack lightly. Canoes offer limited space, so prioritize essentials like a first aid kit, sunscreen, and insect repellent. Safety and survival gear should take precedence. Next, choose the right canoe. Consider its length, width, and weight capacity. Longer, narrower canoes are efficient for paddling, while wider, shorter ones offer stability. Select wisely for a balanced experience. Now, let's talk technique. Proper paddling is key. Keep your hands atop the paddle. Execute forward strokes to propel the canoe, and alternate sides to avoid fatigue. With practice, you'll navigate with ease. Maintain proper camping etiquette. Follow leave no trace principles to preserve the environment. Respect wildlife, dispose of waste responsibly, and stick to designated campsites. Let's keep our natural playground pristine. Know your route and prepare for emergencies. Familiarize yourself with water conditions, plan your path wisely, and inform someone of your itinerary. Safety is paramount in the great outdoors. As you embark on your canoe camping journey, remember these fundamental tips. Let the gentle strokes of your paddle guide you through nature's wonders. Until next time, happy paddling and wilderness wandering.